Have you ever wondered how significant life stages are celebrated in different cultures? In African traditions, these celebrations are known as rites of passage. They mark transformational moments, such as becoming adults, husbands, wives, or ancestors after death. In this video, we'll focus on the Ashanti people of Ghana. We'll explore the unique rituals associated with their life stages. First, let's look at the birth rites. An Ashanti woman who is pregnant faces many restrictions. For the first 3 months, she stays indoors, covering her head and breasts when necessary. She must avoid negativity and any bodily fluids that could threaten her child's health. When she enters her 8th month, she moves to her parents' house for support until delivery. On the delivery day, female attendants assist her. Interestingly, the baby doesn't receive special attention for the first 8 days. This waiting period assesses whether the child will stay in this world. After 8 days, a name is given based on the day of birth. For example, a boy born on Friday is named Kofi. Next, let's explore puberty rites. An Ashanti girl marks her transition into womanhood when she first menstruates. She informs her mother, who announces it to the community. The girl then pours libation to Nyame, the god, and to her ancestors. She undergoes a shaving ceremony, symbolizing her readiness for adulthood. This celebration ensures everyone shares food and drinks, welcoming her into maturity. Finally, we'll discuss marriage rites. When an Ashanti man wishes to marry, he offers gifts to his future in-laws, often involving work like clearing the family's farm. This gesture earns the approval of the girl's parents. Once they agree, the marriage is sealed by the ancestors, and the bride follows her husband home. To summarize, the rites of passage among the Ashanti people in Ghana elevate significant life transitions through carefully set rituals. Birth, puberty, and marriage are celebrated with community involvement, emphasizing cultural values and continuity. If you found this exploration of Ashanti rites of passage interesting, like and subscribe for more cultural insights. What traditions do you have in your culture? Share in the comments below.